purchase order variance report. Let us see how can we diagnose the variances from the journey of a purchase order being raised, accepted by the central kitchen, goods delivered and accepted. To begin, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, you will find the heading of report where purchase order variance report will be visible. You can apply the filter via date range and such POs will be displayed. As you can see here, the date is mentioned, the PO number is mentioned, the outlet requested from is mentioned, and the outlet where the request was sent is mentioned. Now here, the category of the raw material is hygiene. The name of the raw material is this along with its unit. Requested quantity is the initial amount which we requested while generating a purchase order. Sales quantity is the quantity which the outlet approves while sending to us. So we generated a request to central kitchen and the central kitchen approved 11 during their sales. So first, the difference between request and approval is of -2. Then comes received quantity. Now when this request for purchase will be converted to purchase order, received quantity will be auto-populated. Let us convert the purchase order and show you how will the received quantity populate itself. So I reached my purchase section and I converted my existing purchase order to a purchase entry. As you can see, the status is saved. Let us go back to the report and see how did the effect take place. As you can see, I have now received 11 quantity because the sales quantity was 11. Now in case the received quantity was 10, that means there is some issue during the transit of the goods where the central kitchen essentially dispatched 11 units but I only received 10. Or for any reason, if I return that one piece during receiving, only 10 will be displayed in the received quantity. So whatever changes was done from the dispatch to receiving will be displayed here between difference between received and sales. Now the total difference right from the requested to the received will be displayed in this section. So in some of the cases, central kitchen can automatically send some of the items by themselves. So if any such item is there, then it will be displayed in this last section. So this was all about purchase order variance report in Petpooja inventory, where you can actually see the requested goods and the delivered goods and take appropriate actions with your central kitchen. Now this will be different for each of the outlets. So first make sure you select the outlet and then generate this report. Thank you.